Have you ever wondered how to navigate the stock market crash? What if you could not only protect your investment but also potentially profit from the cow? Stay tuned as we explore how. Hi, I am Irene with Irene Consulting Firm. Today we are diving into the concept of the stock market crash and what it means for investors like you and me. Understanding the sign of an imminent crash is crucial. From sudden market volatility to economic downturn indicator, knowing what to look for can save your portfolio. Let us discuss how to safeguard your investments. We will cover everything from diversifying your portfolio to considering counter-cyclical stock that can withstand economic pressure. The key to success during the crash is staying calm and making informed decisions. And here is how Alex managed to not only protect but also grow his portfolio during the last market downturn. To sum up, being prepared and informed is your best defense against a market crash. Remember, it's not just about surviving the crash, but being positioned to trade afterwards. If you found this guide helpful, please subscribe for more financial insights and share how you prepare for market downturn in the comments below. Your strategy could help others too. Please reach out if you need any of our services: bookkeeping, payroll, financial analysis, and data visualization. And until for now, thank you so much for watching and stay blessed. Bye bye.